everyone, welcome to Kanak Infosystems YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about what is Odoo. So let's dive into Odoo. Odoo is an open source ERP system that integrates your various business needs like sales management, inventory management, accounting, project management, production operations and HRMS into one single platform. Its modular structure allows businesses to customize and expand the system based on their specific needs. Now let's get a quick history of Odoo. It started as a company named Tiny ERP. It expanded its horizon every year with new versions, revamped and added a lot of features in its versions. Since last 3 to 4 years, it has increased its presence all over the world. Now let's begin why you should use Odoo. Odoo is a flexible, affordable ERP open source community with a free license-based version and a feature-rich enterprise option. Its modular design allows businesses to pick needed apps, making it ideal for growth without the high cost of traditional ERPs like SAP. Want to know its features? Let's start. CRM. It manages leads, opportunities, and customer interactions effectively to improve sales and processes. Accounting, whereas stands for handling all financial tasks including invoicing, expense tracking, and comprehensive financial reporting. Inventory management monitors stock levels, manage logistics, and optimize order fulfillments. Manufacturing oversee production processes, manage bills of materials, and schedule manufacturing effectively. Project management, whereas plans and tracks projects with collaborative tools for team communication and task alignment. Human resources manage employee records, recruitment processes, and performance evaluation seamlessly. Marketing executes email campaigns, manage social medias, automation to enhance customer engagement. Point of sales is a user-friendly interface for retail environments that supports sales transactions and customer data collection and many more. Odoo pricing. It consists of Odoo community in which no user-based licensing cost, open source version with basic modules and features, suitable for smaller businesses or those with minimal ERP needs. In Odoo Enterprises, it consists of pricing model in which subscription-based, typically per user per month, with an additional cost per app or module selected. In hosting options, it chooses between Odoo Online, Odoo SH, or on-premises deployment. In cost factors, its total cost depends on the number of users, selected apps, and hosting. Odoo App Store. The Odoo App Store offers free and paid add-ons for extra functionality including e-commerce integration, data visualization, and project management. Customer support. Community support in which free forms and documentation for general inquiries are required. Odoo Enterprise. With Odoo Enterprise, users can raise tickets directly from Odoo support. Third-party or Odoo partner support. Specialized, often industry-specific support with custom support with your registered Odoo official implementation partners. What makes Odoo better from its competitors? Odoo excels over competitors like SAP and Dynamics due to its cost effectiveness, modular flexibility, strong app ecosystem, and high customizability for localization and specific business requirements. Benefits of using Odoo. Integrated solution covers everything from CRM to accounting and inventory in one platform, whereas modularity choose and scale only the needed apps. Customization adaptable to unique workflows with localization. App ecosystem 14,000 plus community apps for added flexibility. Scalability suitable for small to large businesses with multi-company support. User friendly. Interface makes it easy to use for employees. Mobile apps are used for enterprise. Thank you for watching. Like, comment and share. Subscribe for more.